Comparis is a program for eye-level sales associates and connections dealers to provide quick estimates on the cost of a floor system. These estimates, which are controlled by the user, include joists, the subfloor, rim board, and a small allowance for extras such as hangers and blocking. The main benefit of Comparis is that it removes the handicap of working exclusively with linear foot joist pricing and 1,000 board foot panel pricing. With Comparis, you have a wide variety of floor pricing and quality options at your fingertips, not just a black and white, take it or leave it traditional quote. Once pricing is input into Comparis, simply select a joist span and deck thickness to display a full complement of flooring options. Click the Estimator Grid tab to display solutions for on-center spacing, cost, and TJ Pro rating. The diagram in the upper left-hand corner displays an image of the joist and includes a dimension showing the joist span. The grid displays every available joist that works and a price per square foot that includes the cost of the joist, floor panels, and rim board. The TJ Pro rating is also displayed for each solution. With this information, a customer can easily decide how much they want to pay for the level of floor performance they are looking for. Let's take a look at how it works. In our example, the customer wants the cheapest solution for joists that span 15 feet. With 23/32 edge gold floor decking, the lowest cost is an 11 7/8 inch TJI 110 at 24 inches on center. If price is the only factor in making a decision, the 11 7/8 inch 110 is the solution. All solutions in the grid meet code, regardless of the TJ Pro rating. The least expensive solution, the joist deck combination of an 11 7/8 inch 110 and 23/32 inch edge gold, has a TJ Pro rating of 34. Considering that a floor rating of 34 is considered good by most customers, Comparis found a quality floor system at a reasonable price. Let's take a look at a few other options. Some customers refuse to space joists at 24 inches on center. For these customers, simply focus on solutions in the 19.2 inch, 16 inch, or 12 inch on center columns. The lowest cost floor system for joist spaced at 19.2 inches on center is the 9.5 inch 110. This combination costs $1.66 per square foot, 17 cents more than the 24 inch on center solution, and it has a pro rating of 26. The customer gets their requested spacing, but pays more for a floor system that does not feel nearly as good. The two asterisks next to the Pro rating mean that this solution does not meet L/480 live load deflection criteria. In terms of TJ Pro rating, scores in the 20s are considered just good enough. 30s are good floors, 40s are very good, 50 and above are downright great. To get a comparable feeling floor to the 24 inch on-center solution, but at 19.2 inches on center, the customer should look at the 9.5 inch 230 or the 11 7/8 inch 110, which have pro ratings of 31 and 39 respectively. The 9 1/2 inch option costs $1.74 per square foot, and the 11 7/8 inch option costs $1.72. To meet the customer's on-center spacing requirement, the upcharge is at least 23 cents per square foot. To view product pricing in Comparis, click Tools, Product Pricing, Current Pricing Data. Pricing in Comparis is controlled by the user. Joist depths and series are listed on this page, as are typical floor panel options. Joist pricing is per linear foot. Panel prices are per square foot. If the joist or floor panel is not available, enter a 0 and the material will not display in the estimator grid. The linear foot to square foot conversion factors default to the numbers displayed. These factors convert the linear foot price to a square foot price. They also include a rough 10% allowance for rim board and another 10% for miscellaneous hangers and blocking. For the experienced user, we recommend testing the program with the default conversion factors against a quoted estimate. If the numbers are close, leave the conversion factors as is. Experience will determine when to adjust the conversion factors. For the inexperienced user, leave the conversion factors as is and use the estimator grid square foot pricing as a gauge for making decisions. Inside and outside sales associates can use Comparis to help customers with buying decisions by providing data about alternate joist and deck options. Quoting joists solely on a linear foot basis handicaps you when customers are making decisions and comparing your solution to competitors with cheaper products. Use Comparis to put the power of thoughtful decision making to work. Simply input your current joist and panel pricing, leave the conversion factors alone, and you are ready to provide customers with the data they need to make an informed buying decision. When a customer calls for a joist price and has some freedom for changing depths, series, or panel thickness, use Comparis to input the requested span and deck thickness. In a matter of seconds, you will be able to provide the customer with several viable options. Don't forget to test the 7/8" Edge Gold panel. You will be amazed that in many instances, a joist and panel combination with 7/8" decking can be less expensive than a joist with 23/32" decking, and it will have a superior TJ Pro rating. One more point to remember. Even without a computer at your side, you can use Comparis to print a series of estimator grid sheets with common spans and deck thicknesses. With these updated sheets, you can provide customers with options, even when you're in the field. Comparis is available via CD. Please contact your iLevel Automation representative for a copy.